Attorney, si SDO Fajarda po hindi makakarating because nagka-stroke siya. So, do you think may advantage to sa defense and may effect sa prosecution if hindi haharap si Fajarda?
Oo, well, hindi ko alam yung condition. I found out, to be very, very honest with everyone. I found out about his condition last week, no. I wanted to actually visit him din dahil nakatrabaho ko yan noon. I wanted to visit him in the hospital, but because nga, for ethical reasons, we have to be careful na we're kasi under subpoena na si Mr. Fajarda. So, I just decided not to even visit him. No, nangangamusta na lang ako through yung mga common friends namin or mga colleagues namin noon. Nangangamusta na lang ako. Ngayon, I really wish him well. I hope he's okay. Kung I think magte-testify rin naman sa September 7 yata yung na-reserve no, na date. So lalabas rin naman yan. So I don't think naman na it will affect. Maybe the effect is medyo na delay lang ng konti.